Welcome back to Tech Vibe, the place where we explore the tech that pushes performance and innovation to the next level. Today, we're diving into a laptop that promises raw power, military-grade toughness, and the kind of performance that gamers and creators dream about. This is the ASUS TUF Gaming A18, model FA808, and it's here to prove that gaming laptops don't need to cost a fortune to deliver desktop-level power. But is this machine really as tough and capable as ASUS claims? Stick around, because we're about to find out. The first thing that hits you about the TUF A18 is its design. ASUS has taken that rugged TUF aesthetic and blended it with a modern, minimalist style. The chassis screams durability, with military-grade certification that guarantees resistance against shocks, vibration, and even extreme temperatures. It's not flashy like ROG laptops, but it's bold in its own way. The angular lines, textured surfaces, and subtle branding give it a no-nonsense vibe. This is a laptop built to take a beating and keep going. At just over 2.6 kilograms, it's not ultra-light, but for an 18-inch gaming machine, it's surprisingly portable. And yes, you heard that right, 18 inches. The display is one of the stars here. The TUF A18 features a massive 18-inch IPS panel with a QHD+ resolution and a refresh rate that can go up to 240 Hz depending on the configuration. Whether you're gaming, editing, or just streaming, this screen is immersive. The thin bezels add to the experience, making the visuals feel expansive without the laptop looking ridiculously oversized. Colors are vibrant, brightness is solid, and adaptive sync keeps your gameplay smooth and tear-free. Now let's move under the hood, because this is where things really get exciting. The A18 packs AMD's Ryzen 9 8945HS processor, part of AMD's latest series built for high performance. Pair that with NVIDIA's RTX 4070 or RTX 4060 GPU, and you've got serious horsepower for gaming and productivity alike. Add DDR5 RAM, upgradable up to 64 GB, plus fast PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage, and you're looking at a laptop that doesn't just handle today's games, but also creative workloads like video editing, 3D rendering, or coding with ease. Here's the hook: this laptop isn't just about raw numbers, it's about consistent performance. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield, and Call of Duty run smoothly at high to ultra settings at QHD resolution, delivering high frame rates that take advantage of that 240 Hz panel. Competitive titles like Valorant, CS2, and Apex Legends feel buttery smooth, giving you an edge in fast-paced matches. You're not just playing games, you're experiencing them at their best. But powerful hardware in a slim chassis usually means one thing: heat. And this is where ASUS flexes its engineering muscle. The TUF A18 uses a sophisticated cooling system with dual fans, multiple heat pipes, and large vents to keep air flowing. The result? Temperatures stay under control, and while the fans ramp up under heavy load, the laptop never feels like it's about to melt. It's loud enough to notice, but not obnoxious, and most importantly, the CPU and GPU sustain their performance without major throttling. Battery life is always a compromise with gaming laptops, especially powerful ones. The A18 comes with a 90Wh battery, which is good for about 6 to 7 hours of light use, think browsing, streaming, or productivity work. For gaming, you'll definitely want to keep it plugged in to get the full performance out of that RTX GPU. Still, for an 18-inch gaming machine, the endurance is respectable. The keyboard and trackpad deserve a mention too. ASUS has gone with a full-sized keyboard complete with a numpad, and the keys have good travel, making them satisfying for both gaming and typing. The RGB lighting is customizable, though it's more understated compared to ROG laptops. The trackpad is large and responsive, but let's be honest, you're going to use a mouse for gaming anyway. Connectivity is excellent. You're getting plenty of ports, including USB-C with power delivery, multiple USB-A ports, HDMI, Ethernet, and of course Wi-Fi 6E for low-latency online gaming. The placement of the ports is practical, avoiding clutter where you place your mouse. Now, here's a hook worth thinking about. An 18-inch laptop like this isn't just a gaming machine, it's a desktop replacement. Pair it with an external monitor, mechanical keyboard, and mouse at your desk, and it feels like a full desktop setup. But then, when you need to move, you can just pick it up and take that same power with you. That's the real appeal of a machine like the TUF A18. Of course, nothing is perfect. The size and weight mean it's not the most portable laptop. You won't want to carry it around every day like an Ultrabook. The speakers, while decent, don't quite match the immersive quality of the display, so a good headset is recommended for gaming or media. And while it's more affordable than an ROG Strix or Scar series laptop, it's still a significant investment. So, who should consider the ASUS TUF A18? If you're a gamer who wants high-end performance without jumping into the highest price tiers, this is a fantastic option. If you're a creator who values a big, color-rich display and raw power, it will serve you just as well. And if you're someone who wants a laptop that can take a few hits, survive long hours, and still deliver, the TUF branding is more than just marketing, it's durability you can rely on. At the end of the day, the ASUS TUF Gaming A18 FA808 is proof that gaming laptops can be big, bold, and powerful without breaking completely into the premium price tier. It offers a massive display, serious gaming power, and rugged durability in a package that's as practical as it is powerful. Yes, it's not for everyone, it's big, it's heavy, and it's not the cheapest, but for the right gamer or creator, it's an absolute beast that can handle anything you throw at it. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe, where we bring you reviews that go beyond the surface to show you what tech is really capable of. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the ASUS TUF A18, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you're always up to date with the latest and greatest in gaming and technology. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and keep vibing with tech.